So si Poco and Basha, 8 years later, mahirap ba yung pag-jump into the character?
Ay, sobra.
Paano nyo na-accomplish?
We were given a questionnaire.
Parang backgrounder. Parang mas
background
kumapal ang
character.
buo yung gap.
Yeah.
Mula
8
nung
years.
natapos yung part 1, which was 2008, hanggang sa present.
At nakatulong din yung libro, no? Kasi sa libro may pangtawid eh. Hindi natapos lang dun sa 8th floor sa construction site. So, para sa akin, nakatulong din. And then, we were given a questionnaire nga to answer kami together.
Example of the questions.
At talaga siya, as in, detalyado. Like,
Oo,
halimbawa,
number of
nangyari
kids
between-
na gusto na
parang anong nangyari nung honeymoon,
Yeah.
anong, ganun siyang kadetalyado. Anong sexual
Finances.
position ang gusto nyo.
Yeah, things like that.
Kasi
Very
mag-asawa na eh.
Yeah.
Mag-asawa na siya eh. So, yun talaga, kumbaga sa...
As Popoy and Basha, dapat na
Sexual
yun.
position
yung gusto niya.
Parang kay Popoy at Basha na lang yun. Hindi, and plus, we had to justify it Parang thesis.
Oo. Ganun
Sa
siya, para sa
writer.
thesis.
Talk
Just-
about it.
Yeah,
Kasi
after.
backstory niyo as the character.
Oo,
Parang it's
talaga.
like a lived-in memory, di ba? When you act,
Yeah.
kahit hindi pa nangyari sa actual na shoot or actual na eksena, nasa loob.
You have
So
to be
it's
able
there.
to breathe it or like smell it or
Talaga, down
So
to
you
the
talk
very
about
core.
these things, etong mga
Yeah,
detalye.
kaming
We
gumawa-
had to,
kaming
kaming
gumawa
dalawa. Oo.
Yung parang, you don't have to talk about it with other people, pero in between the two of you, dahil kayong dalawa ang characters, parang you agree on a particular memory na...
Actually, while we were answering the questionnaire, mas maraming pagkakataon na hindi kami nag-agree.
Which I appreciated. Kasi
Yeah.
magkaibang tao kayo eh.
Tama.
Hindi naman dahil, di ba, nag-asawa kayo. Parang,
Marami talaga kaming hindi ganito yung number hindi ganyan. So, ang ganda kasi nagko-compromise kami sa isang answer na may pinagdaan ng diskusyon, hindi lang kami parang passive na okay. Para sa akin, na-enjoy ko siya.
ganun namin siya ginawa.